Here's the list of the best desserts in the world. If new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Pastéis de nata is a traditional Portuguese custard with a deliciously crispy, flaky pastry shell, filled to the brim with a sweet, creamy tart. Best served with cinnamon. One of the best tart in the world. Tiramisu, coffee-flavored dessert in Italy, is made up of sponged fingers soaked in coffee, layered between mascarpone cheese, whipped with eggs and sugar, topped with cocoa. A favorite classic Italian dessert. S'mores, a campfire treat from US, is made up of two biscuits that are sandwiched together with a melted chocolate and marshmallows traditionally melted over the campfire itself. Gulab jamun, or deep-fried sweets from India, bite-sized donuts soaked in syrup, made by mixing dried milk powder, flour, yogurt, and clarified butter with flavorings. Churros, or deep-fried sticks from Spain, made from a pastry piped through a star-shaped nozzle, fried into hot oil until golden brown, dipped or drizzled with hot chocolate. LAMINGTONS, or square sponge cakes from Australia, made from a small vanilla sponge covered in chocolate and desiccated coconut, with a layer of jam sandwiching two layers of halves. MALVA pudding, or warm sponge from South Africa, is a cake made with apricot jam, served warm with a creamy sauce or custard. Best for visitors during winter or summer holidays. Baklava is a sweet pudding from the Middle East, made from layers of paper-thin pastry, butter, chopped nuts, sweet syrup, drizzled with fragrance of rose or orange blossom water. Baking with matcha from Japan. Matcha is a powder made from green tea leaves. It is one of the country's best for sweet bakes, from green tea ice creams, matcha cakes, and cookies. Rum cake from the Caribbean is a sponge cake baked from a saffron mold, giving it a slightly donut-style shape. Soaked in rum, topped with icing, dried fruits, and nuts. Always a favorite holiday treat. Here are the best desserts in the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell.